YouTube? It's your boy Addicted to the Grind, and we back with another video. So yeah, today, all right, so y'all remember probably about maybe 3 weeks ago, I told y'all that it would be a lot of new content coming to the channel. I told you we was out here changing lives, we was making strides in life. So without further ado, this is one of the new things that's coming to the channel. I mean, amongst other stuff that we're gonna be around and the lifestyle that we're gonna be living. I took a trip to St. Louis. I got my son behind the camera. Y'all finna meet him in a second. Remember I told you about him. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, so without further ado, I wanted to do a review on the 2021. It might be a 21 or a 22 Kia Stinger. Okay, come on. So as y'all noticed right off the bat, the big rims and the red brake calipers, it come with Brembos. So not only does it come with Brembo brakes, I mean them just huge brakes with huge amounts of stopping power. Come on, Kurt, come this way. If you don't notice, I don't know exactly the paint code. Look at me. I don't know exactly the paint code that Kia has chosen, but I know like with Charger and with Dodge, it's either Smoke Show Gray or Destroyer Gray. So one of those two, that's the colors. They got the chrome caps on the mirrors, man. This is not just the regular Kia Stinger GT. This is the performance edition. So if you come around here to the back, as you can see, it's all-wheel drive twin turbo GT. When I say the thing is a menace in the streets, it is a menace. And I'm not saying like it's the fastest car I've ever driven, but it's really right there with the Chargers and the RTs. I don't think you can run with a Scat Pack, but I know a RT, it'll run them down. So come around. We got the black accent to go with the gray, with the Destroyer Gray, with the red lights, with the quad pipes in the back. I really like how they did that. And they also got the diffuser in here too. And these, I don't know if it's more for show or not. Probably for show, it's a Kia, but it definitely, I mean, that's what they're supposed to help with the wind. Like I said, it has the big wheels on it. I think these are 20s or they're 19. So it has 19-inch wheels on it. Man, the thing handles like a dream. We have, let me pop the hood for you. Still recording? Yeah. Okay, so if you pop the hood, I think this is the first, look at me. I think this is the first rendition of this motor. It's actually a 3.3 liter twin turbo, which I had never heard of it before I got behind the wheel of it, but man, the power is instant. It sounds great. I'm gonna give you guys it's not gonna be a cold start, it's gonna be like a lukewarm start. So, but yeah, 3.3 liter twin turbo. The thing run like a stabbed rat. It's a little dirty right now. I washed it yesterday, and then I did have it on the highway. Like I drove it all the way from St. Louis, all the way from Texas to St. Louis, and it did it no problems, dude. Took me maybe a tank and a half or something like that, a tank and then a half a tank. So I mean, the gas mileage is great. Go around the back of the car, Kurt. I'm gonna give you all a cold start now, or a warm start. Okay, so what's popping, YouTube? We back in the whip now, man. We in here. I mean, it's really, I mean, for a Kia, y'all, a Kia, this is the car that made the little hamster cars, dude, that they putting out here with almost 400 horsepower. I think it come out the gate with like 368. Come out the gate with like 368 horsepower. So what? And who? No telling what a downpipe and a tuner do to this thing. It'll probably turn up to about 450, 500 horsepower. Okay, so we're gonna take a drive. I'll give y'all. I'm really gonna skip all the little details and the bells and whistles. Like, it's fully loaded, but I really want y'all to check out this launch control. So we're gonna get it going. The exhaust sound great. I'm gonna give y'all some accelerating clips too. I'm gonna give y'all some hits. But yeah, I mean, it got the nice leather wrap flat bottom steering wheel. Like, Kia really outdid themselves with this one. And I give hats off to the architect. Hats off to the designers at Kia. So anyway, as you can hear, the exhaust note is really prevalent inside the vehicle. So I don't know if it has that feature to where the music, I mean the exhaust comes through the speakers as well, but it's quick. So if you want to, you can hear the turbo noise, you can hear the suction, you can hear the pops and the bangs from the exhaust. It's just it's mind blowing. So if I switch it over into sport mode, you can hear a little bit more of the exhaust. Hold on, I'm gonna give you a hit right here. I just gotta turn it. Okay, we're gonna do like a 0 to 40, something like that. You see, like, it has no problem picking up speed. It does it quick, it does it efficiently, and it sounds good. Yeah, it's really impressive. I can't believe this came from something like Kia. But now we're gonna switch into launch control. I really want you all to check out this launch control. Like I say, this is the first car that I've ever driven to have launch control. So, all right, I'm gonna turn off the traction control and the stability control. Boom. I turned off the traction control and the stability control in these gas. I'm gonna switch it into sport. Okay, it's in sport. I'm gonna floor the brake and floor the gas. Launch control ready. Like, it's really impressive. Hold on. Really impressive. It's really quick. You get a lot of car for the buck. I think MSRP is like 51 on one of these things, which is a little steep for a Kia. I think the MSRP is like 51 or something like that. It's a little steep for a Kia. But when you consider the gas mileage you're gonna get, I guess, not that people that are looking for a performance car really cares about that, but if you consider the gas mileage, it's really good. So yeah, so I mean, I guess that about wraps it up. If you all want to hear or do anything else, me to do anything else with this car, let me know. But we're gonna be switching out, man. We're gonna be in a different car every couple weeks. We're gonna be buying stuff, bringing it to the channel, man. It's just I'm in a really blessed position in my life to be able to bless the people that I'm around, and also to be able to live the life that I always knew I could live. But we're gonna be switching out, man. We're gonna be in a different car every couple weeks. We're gonna be buying stuff, bringing it to the channel, man. It's just I'm in a really blessed position in my life to be able to bless the people that I'm around, and also to be able to live the life that I always knew I could live. Is the camera on me? So yeah, without not further ado, but yeah, I mean, I guess that's it. That's a wrap, folks. So yeah, if you want to, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and shit. And we locked in.